Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel, Kashae's Tuesday. I am Kashae, hello, and today we are going to be unboxing a pink blind bag, and I went ahead and made this. I've been seeing so many blind bag like paper DIY videos, and I really wanted to give it a try, and I decided we are going to do pink today because pink is my favorite color. On the front we have pink blind bag, and it looks like this is where we do cut it open, and then if we turn it around we see a question mark, and it looks like we could get a common bag, a special bag, or a rare bag. So let's go ahead and cut it open and see what kind of paper squishies and pink goodies we got. So I'm going to cut on the dotted line. Here's what it looks like, and I'm seeing so much confetti. I think that is so cute. And I see our card, and our card is telling us we got a rare bag. How fun is that? So let's go ahead and open. Let's do this one. So here we have our first little blind bag, and it is sealed with a heart, and it is so cute, and it looks like we just cut the thread to open it. And I will go ahead and take the heart off. So once we go ahead and open it up, I'm seeing, ooh, it looks like a little keychain, and it is a little pink flower keychain. How cute is that? I love this. I actually crocheted this myself. I think this would be really cute on a purse or like a set of keys. I think this is a really fun, cute accessory, and I just love it. So it looks like we have lots of stuff left. So I'm gonna pull out this really big envelope. We have a question mark. It has polka dots on it. We flip it around. It is also sealed with a heart. It feels kind of like it might be a squishy, but I don't know. I actually do know because I made this. Yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Ooh, it is a squishy. Oh my gosh, and it's a little like Game Boy kitty squishy. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking adorable, you guys. I found this template for free on Pinterest, and I will link it down below. So we have like all the buttons so we can play the game, and like a little speaker, and oh my goodness, this is just so cute. And I especially love the kitten ears. I think that is my favorite part, aside from it being pink. Lots and lots of stuff left. So let's pull this box. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, you guys. I'm so proud of myself for making this. Oh, it's like a teddy bear, and it's pink. And if we turn it around, it is a cute little pencil sharpener. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. This is adorable, and I cannot wait to use it. Here is our cute little haul so far, and we still have a few more things to unbox. So let's go ahead and pull something else. More confetti. So this is the biggest package in the bag, and it looks like from these stickers this is going to be a squishmallow, and I'm so excited and curious to see what this is. JK, I already know what it is. And it looks like it's going to be a pink squishmallow. So it looks like we just cut along this dotted line. Oh wow! It is the pink cow squishmallow. I don't know her name or his name, but she is just so cute. I imagine she makes strawberry milk, and I think that is so fun. Oh my god, she is just adorable. It looks like this is the tiniest mystery item. So let's go ahead and open this up. And I really love this tissue paper. It is wrapped and it is so cute. And it's just sealed with a sticker that is adorable. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. So we got a little pink highlighter shaped like a bear. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Perfect with our pink theme, and I love it. And I will definitely get a ton of use out of it because pink is, of course, my favorite color. So this is our last little package to unbox. Again, it is sealed with a heart. It has polka dots on it and a pink question mark. Oh my goodness, we have a pink donut strawberry paper squishy. It is so cute. I want to eat it. It has a little face on it and it's covered in sprinkles. This is just the perfect way to end our little mystery bag unboxing. Oh my goodness. A little food item, a little treats for us, and I love it so much. So this is everything we received today in our pink blind bag unboxing. I'm so very happy with everything we got, and I am so happy we got a rare bag because we got a lot of squishies and little items that aren't in the regular bags. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!